Hey guys, how y'all doing? This is Tyler Austin with MyGeekCentral.com. In the last tutorial, we covered creating our header, our body content, and our footer. Okay, so what we're gonna do now in this next tutorial, it's gonna be pretty quick, but we're gonna go ahead and set up our foundation. As you can see here, what I did is I created some more pages here. Instead of what I was going to do is I was going to go ahead and make the one whole page here, and then we're going to break down and create our other pages afterwards. But I decided that's more work. I want you all to be able to create this website as soon as you can. So we're going to skip around a few things, and then after I show you how to make these basic pages and link them all together and then create your style sheet, then we'll go into the nitty-gritty, and I'll teach you things like line breaks and teach you just the little stuff that actually make your website pop out. But first, we're going to actually get the structure of our website. So I'm just going to real quick show you what I did here, and just go ahead and do this. So go ahead and create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new pages. The new tab right up in the top left corner there of your Notepad++. Name the first one header.php, next one footer, contact, about, and style. Okay, let me real quick explain to you what this is. Index is going to be our home page. Alright, header is going to be all the first content all the way down to our navigation bar. We're going to stick in our header. Okay, our footer is only going to contain our footer content. Okay, so what we're going to do is at the beginning of our index homepage, our contact page, and our about page is we're going to create a PHP link to both of those. And basically what it's doing is, for example, in this on our contact page, we're going to have PHP include, and we're going to include header.php there. Okay, so what that's going to do is everything that's inside the header.php file is going to be included on our contact page. So necessarily what that makes us be able to do is that makes us be able to, if for example, if we wanted to change our header content all across the board of our website, instead of having to go in to each of our pages of our website and change all that content, we can just include the header.php file. So that way all we got to do is change the header.php file. And right now we don't have any of that made up right now, but I just want you to understand before we get into this what exactly we're going to be doing. And then for our footer, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to create our footer, and we're going to include that footer.php file at the bottom of the page. What did I do? Oh. So now this page, once we have our header and our footer pages made up, this page, all we would have to do is include the content of the page. And then this would be another page that we added. So then all we got to do is upload that to the website, and we got a whole nother page. Because all we had to do was include the header and the footer. Because the header and the footer are going to include all of our main content of the website. The header is going to be all the way from the header to the navigation bar. Then our actual web page is only going to include the content that we want inside of that web page itself. Okay, if you can understand that, and you'll understand it much clearer when we actually get the header and footer content in there. Okay, and then this is just simply going to be a home page. Okay, so what we're going to do, what I want you to do next is I want you to copy everything that we put in this index.php file, and I want you to paste it into the header file. Okay, and then I want you to wipe that page out and save it. Okay, next what I want you to do is that I want you to copy from the footer down and put that content inside of the footer page, okay? And then get that content off that header. Alrighty? And the next thing I want you to do is take out the body content. And then add you know what? Forget about that. Go ahead and save it. So we got our home page now. We got our header. We have our footer. We have a contact page. We have an about me page. And we have our style sheet. So in the next tutorial, we're going to go ahead and cover actually linking these pages together. And we're going to talk a little bit about divs. And that should be about it. So I'll see you in the next video. Go ahead and get these pages set up. Okay, and this is truly going to help you in the long run by just going ahead and teaching you this now. And then we'll cover the nitty-gritty stuff a little bit later. But for now, I want you to get used to repetition, creating your pages first, and then going through and adding your content into those pages. Okay. So that's it for this tutorial. Hopefully you'll watch the next one, and I look forward to it. Thanks.